Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to turn off or power off or shut down your iPhone 15 Pro Max. We have a couple of methods to do so. So the first thing to do so, what you need to do is you have to press the volume up here, the volume up, press and hold the volume up along with the power button here together, so you'll be getting that option. So I'll be demonstrating it. Let me press these two buttons here. So I'm just going to press like this. Now you can see you'll be getting this option where you have to slide to power off so that your device will be completely turned off. So this is one step. I'm not going to do that. So I'll be demonstrating you the next thing. After the first step, what you need to do is we can move to the second. That is all about go to the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down and navigate to the general. And from here you have to scroll it down here. There is an option called shutdown. From here you can shut it down, and this is how we can do this. This is the second step. Now moving on, we have the next. So let me unlock with my passcode. The next thing is all about you can just close everything here, and from here you have to go to the top here on the control center like this, and over here at the top right you can see there is a power icon. Now what you need to do is you just need to press and hold this over here like this. You have to do it when you press and hold slightly, you'll be getting this option where you can slide to power off, and you can do this. And we have the fourth step, that is all about not using any kind of physical buttons here. You're just giving a command via Siri. I'm just going to ask Siri to turn off my device. So let me show you that. Hey Siri, please turn off my iPhone. Now it is going to ask you for the power off. You can just go power off from here, and that is how we can do this. So these are the possible ways, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye.